Na muthia timu ya bũrũri ya muthako wa badminton irageire na mweke wa kunora maruru mayo mbere ya guthie Botswana kunyita itemi macindano-inĩ ma muthako uyu ma Africa maria makanjia muthenya wa rucio. Timu ya muthako uyu ya iritu ikinyita itemi macindano-inĩ maya rita rĩa mbere thutha wa kwaga gukorwo makigia tigiti hari mithako 5 mihituku. Nĩguo makiuga nĩmeharĩirie gwĩka wega thĩinĩ wa macindano maya ma gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Africa. Macindano maya maranjia rũciũ nginya tarĩki 15 na timu cia Kenya igathaka kuma tarĩki 13.
As a team, we are really going to try to win every match, just take one match at a time. But I think we'd be very, very happy if we could be able to get to the semi-finals of these competitions at least. Yeah.
We are very happy about this. Badminton Kenya has been having issues before, so it's been some time since we've been in this competition. So our expectations first, we know they don't know us, but we know them. So we've been seeing them, so it's like an underdog that has, let's say, teeth.
Ya lengo letu haswa timu ya Kenya tumekuwa nje ya badminton kwa kadri ya miaka 7 juu ya sheria ilitufika mahali, lakini tumerudi kuanzia mwaka jana na lengo letu haswa ni kuhakikisha timu yetu inaweza kufaulu kucheza katika mashindano ya dunia mwakani.